I live in a bungalow and everyone around has conservatories for all that extra space. I never intended to have a conservatory. I wanted to have an extension to be different from everybody else. But it's worked out now for the best for me because prices have changed. We couldn't afford a proper extension. But now we've got the conservatory, it's by far the best thing that we've done. So we eat in there, we socialise in there, we have friends around for meals, family around for meals, and it's a great space. When I actually rang Conservatory Land, their customer service is by far the best. It's lovely. He talked me through everything and to advise me on what I should be thinking of and not thinking of. Because there's lots of things with conservatories and you think, oh, it just gets what it isn't. There's a lot of detail that goes into it. If I pestered him even for even more information, he was really quite happy to help. He made it easy. So that's what made me go for Conservatory Land. Conservatory Land had a list of fitters that would come and fit it. So they came, they brought it, they fitted it, and it was up in no time. They could have done it in 2 days, they'd done it in 3. Sometimes the weather wasn't so good, so they left early. And it was, it's exciting.